Karbi to English translation. Sai arpu. English pen के designation. Sai ham. English pen के office. Meipu. Mate Meipi. English pen के president. Dunmaipu. Mate Dunmaipi. English pen के vice president. Kongchun bang. English pen के secretary. Rapchun bang. English pen के assistant secretary. Sai hemchun bang. English pen के office secretary. Parjuchun bang. English pen के organizing secretary. Bidisar. English pen के advisor. Dihinrim bang. English pen के finance secretary. Pachethangchun bang. English pen के publicity. Sai adeng. English pen के duty. Pherangke. English pen के press. Mate media. Woreng. English pen के job. Bainong. English pen के salary. Tangka. English pen के money. Karbi pen koson lo member sapan komen nalong nang pachini ikha.